Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shirin Alam here, and today I'm here to give you a tour of this 5-bedroom designer house from Blue Arc. This magnificent 25 Marla house has a covered area of 6,000 square feet and it's nestled in Bahria town. This designer-built masterpiece by Blue Arc has something unique, and that's the woodwork over the main gate and the front elevation, which is a very distinguishing feature of this house. I'm standing right here in the right middle of the porch, and this place can actually accommodate 2 cars at a time. To my right corner of this porch is an exclusively 20 square feet green lawn. The lawn has an American grass and imported plants like bonsai and other floral plants. I'm just so anxious to move in and find out about the place. So come on, follow me. I'm here at the center of the house, and this is the entrance. This place is such a sui generis to the eye. You know what actually grabs attention here is this palm tree planted in the house. The best thing about all the plants in this house are they're planted with the gravel soil that lasts longer and they do not decay. And oh my god, look at this chandelier. Isn't it humongous? Now the entire chandelier of this house are custom designed, and they're all the way imported from China. And the designs are pretty unique. I never got to get a glimpse of these designs ever before. The ceiling of this house is designed to complement with the inner interior and the woodwork. The skylight roof where the light penetrates, you don't need to keep your lights on the all day. You know what's the focal point of this house? Is that they got enough of natural light penetrating from all the corners of the house, and it's a spectacular view of the external part from outside. As a woman myself, who would not adore her kitchen? And I'm in love with this kitchen. This is an Italian, and it's got every range, every fixture and every unit are all imported. There's quite a huge big pantry to store all your needs, and spacious cabinets enough to accommodate the utensils. While I walk towards the dirty kitchen, where it's segregated with the laundry area and that has a built-in automated machine with an ironing counter and a little room to adjust all your laundry needs. Now here I'm at the dining room, a beautiful place, doesn't it look like? And this is a double-heighted roof, it's got a powder room, and yes, a special feature, you want to know about that? And that's that you can enjoy the view of this dining fountain area while having your meals. Now here I'm at the lounge, which is quite spacious, where you can enjoy your movie or your TV time with the view of this beautiful lawn. Now what actually is unique about this place is that it's got a wide lobby area, quite spacious, and yes, the rooms are carefully segregated to maintain its privacy. There are 2 bedrooms at the lower ground of this house, and what's the iconic feature is that the pool lies as the focal point of all the 4 bedrooms. And aren't it beautiful? As I move to the first floor of the house, I step up. I enter right to the second TV lounge, which is a beautiful design and connected with the airy barbecue area, where you can actually chill out with your friends and enjoy your barbecue party. There is a small kitchenette at the first floor where you can enjoy your cooking, your meals, snacks, or your coffee. The most eye-catching feature of this house is this bridge, where it connects from one side of the house to the other side of the house. And the best thing is that you can easily have a bird-eye view of the lower portion from this bridge. Let's move further, and moving further to the bedrooms, the first floor comprises of 3 bedrooms, and that includes the master bedroom as well. Now here they are designed with a mini sitting area where you can have a look onto a newspaper, novel with your coffee. This is the master luxury suite of the house, basically the master bedroom with panoramic windows, very spacious. All the bedrooms have got Italian wardrobe, and they're quite spacious to accommodate your needs. You can store in your jewelry, makeup, and other accessories. All the switches are one touch and they're Wi-Fi operated. You can easily operate them with your cell phone device. The bathroom is magnificent, isn't it? And all the fixtures have got Italian and the tile is Spanish. Let me show you something very splendid here, and that's the high sunroof shower area. This room has a small balcony. It's quite airy and you can enjoy your place with your coffee and smoke. There is a green area on every corner of this house to give you a soothing feel and a sense of freshness to your eyes. These are again our imported plants and they're quite well maintained. Well, there's a lot more to tell you, but because of the time constraint, every single detail cannot be elaborated. So I invite you to come visit, get an analysis on this masterpiece of Blue Arc. I'll pop up another time with another masterpiece. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day from Shirin Alam.